Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Wasim Khan, assistant teacher in Al Mahmood International School, Akola. We are studying maths of second standard and we are learning subtraction. Today we will see revision station from page number 40. So let's come on revision station on page number 40. Question number 1 is complete the table. Complete the table. In the first column 10 less number, in second column difference number. So there are five numbers are written in difference column, and we have to subtract 10 numbers from all given numbers. So come on, 57 minus 10 is equal to 47. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7, and 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 63 minus 10, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3, and 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Answer is 53. Next, 79 minus 10, 9 minus 0 is equal to 9, and 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Answer is 69. Next, 33 minus 10, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. The last number is 75. 75 minus 10, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, and 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So first number 57 minus 10 is equal to 47, 63 minus 10 is equal to 53, 79 minus 10 is equal to 69, 33 minus 10 is equal to 23. The last number 75 minus 10 is equal to 65. Okay, next come on, B question. 15 less and difference number. So two numbers are written in the column of 15 less, and three numbers are written in the column of difference. It means that we have to subtract 15 number from the three given numbers, and we have to write two numbers in difference column. Okay, so let's come on, 35 minus 15. 35 minus 15, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is 20. Answer is 20. 35 minus 15 is equal to 20. But the number 60 is written in the column of 15 less. It means that already the numbers written, and we have to add 15 number to write in difference column. So we have to add 15 number in 60. So 60 plus 15, 60 plus 10, 70, and 70 plus 5, 75. So answer is 75. When we subtract 15 number from 75, we will get 60 number. We will get this number. Okay. So 72, this number 72 minus 15. 72 minus 15. Can we subtract 5 from 2? No. What we will do? We have to take one borrow from 7. This 2 converted into 12, and this 7 converted into 6. So 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, and 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Answer is 57. Okay, and already the numbers 93 is written in the column 15 less. So we have to add 93, 15 number in 93. 93 plus 15. So 5 plus 3, 8, 9 plus 1, 10. Answer is 108. 108. The last number is 83. We have to subtract 15 number from 83. 3 minus 5 No, we can't subtract 5 from 3. We have to take 1 borrow from 8. This 3 converted into 13. This 8 converted into 7. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. This 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, 68. So 35 minus 20 is equal to 15. 60 plus 75 is equal to 75. 75 minus 15 is equal to 60. 72 minus 15 is equal to 57. And 108 minus 15 is equal to 93. And the last 83 number, 83 minus 15 is equal to 68. So we have to complete like this, difference and 15 less number. Okay. So next question is question number 2. Choose the correct option. A book has 80 pages and Mohan read 66 pages. How many pages are left to be read? Total there are 80 pages. How many? 80. And Mohan read 66 pages. So we have to subtract 66 from 80 number. Can we subtract 6 from 0? No. We will take 1 borrow from 8. So this 0 converted into 8 and 8 converted into 7. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 and this 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 14. So 14 pages are left to be read. 14 pages are left to be read. 14 option. Where is 14 answer? In C option. In C option 14. 14 pages are left to be read. Okay. Next question number B. Shalini has 39 Indian stamps and some foreign stamps. So there are 87 stamps in total. Total there are 87 stamps. How many foreign stamps are there? We all know that total there are 87 stamps. Okay. And from 87 there are 39 Indian stamps. So we have to know how many foreign stamps are there. So total 87. So we can write 87 and Indian stamp 39. So we have to subtract 39 from 87 and remaining the numbers will be foreign stamps. Okay. 7 minus 9. No, we can't subtract. This 7 converted into 17. This 8 converted into 7. 17 minus 8 is equal to 8. And this 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Okay. 87 minus 39 is equal to 48. And where is the 48 option? D option. So we can say that there are 48 foreign stamps. There are 48 foreign stamps. So we can tick on D option. Correct option is D, 48. Okay. Next C question is a sports shop has 43 cricket bats and some cricket balls. A shop has 43 cricket bats and some cricket balls. If the total number of items is 95, so how many balls are there? How many balls are there? What we will do? Subtraction. Okay. So 95 total number of item 95 and 43 bat 43 cricket bats. So 95 minus 43, we have to subtract 43 from 95. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. And where is 52 option? 52 answer in C option. In C option. So there are 52 balls. There are 52 balls and 43 cricket bats, and total number of item is 95. Total number of item is 95. So we have to tick on C option. Okay. Next question is question number 3. Match the number. (54 minus 23), 89 minus 60, 67 minus 39, and 73 minus 59. First of all, we have to subtract the number, and after we have to match the following number. Okay. So first number 54 minus 23. 4 minus 3 1. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 31. Where is 3? The last option. Okay. Next option is 89 minus 60. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 8 minus 6 is equal to 3. 39. Where is 39? Sorry, 3. 29. 29. Third number. Next is 67 minus 39. 9 minus, we can't subtract 9 from 7. This 7 converted to 17. This 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 28. 28. Okay. The last number, what is remain? 14 number. So we will join D to 14 number like this. Okay. Question number 2, answer is 14. Correct. Question number B, 48. Question number C, 52. Okay. So in next video we will see how to subtract the following number from page number 41. जो कि जज़ाकल्लाह.